Is it time to make a move on Apple stock? Let's dive deep into Apple and uncover the latest insights. Our team has been tirelessly analyzing Apple, and today we're bringing you an even more detailed analysis than ever before. Get ready to discover the potential of this tech giant. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay up to date with all our latest analysis. You won't want to miss any game-changing updates that could influence your investment strategy. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our cutting-edge AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Gain access to free price predictions and in-depth analysis for over 25,000 companies worldwide. Keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Wow, hold on tight because we have some breaking news. Apple's stock has been ranked as a sell candidate since October 17, 2023. And guess what? It's got a score of -3.14. This is definitely something to pay attention to. Now, let's dive into the juicy details of how the stock has been performing during this period. Brace yourself. Drumroll, please. The stock has experienced a loss of -2.34%. Yes, you heard it right. It's been a bumpy ride for Apple investors. Hold your breath because here comes the shocker. On average, Apple has been losing -0.47% per day since it was listed as a sell candidate. That's not a small number, folks. Picture this, a stock caught in the middle of a wide and falling trend. The short-term outlook doesn't look great, and there are signs pointing towards further decline. Now, let's zoom in on the next 3 months. Brace yourself for a potential -7.74% change. It's a roller coaster ride with a range of possible returns between -13.05% and -3.15%. But wait, there's more. The 12-month trend paints a different story. Buckle up for a potential 35.01% change over the next year. That's quite a jump. With returns ranging from 31.44% to a staggering 63.3%, this stock could be worth anywhere between $227.39 and $282.51 after 12 months. Hold on tight, because we have some exciting news about Apple. In our latest update, we bring you the headline, Green Day on Monday for Apple stock after gaining 0.0694%. Brace yourself for a thrilling ride as we delve into the world of Apple stocks. On the last trading day, which was Monday, October 23, 2023, the Apple stock price experienced a fascinating rise of 0.0694%. Starting at $172.88, it soared to $173. But that's not all. During the course of the day, the stock witnessed some intense fluctuations, swinging from a day low at $169.94 to a day high of $174.01, an impressive 2.39% difference. However, it's important to note that the price has fallen in 7 out of the last 10 days and is currently down by -3.35% for this period. As if that wasn't enough, the volume of shares traded also decreased by a staggering 8 million shares on the last day. In total, approximately 52 million shares were bought and sold, accounting for a whopping $9.01 billion. Now, here's an interesting tidbit for you. Falling volume on higher prices can signal a divergence and serve as an early warning for possible changes over the next couple of days. Let's take a step back and look at the bigger picture. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of Apple stock reached an impressive $198.22, while the lowest price dipped to $124.17. Currently, the price stands at a tantalizing 12.72% or $25.22 below the 52-week high. And that's not all. It's also 24.21% or $55.26 below the all-time high, which was recorded on August 30, 2018, at $228.26. Can you believe it? Let's dive into the latest analyst ratings for Apple. On Wednesday, October 18, 2023, KeyBank gave Apple an exciting, overweight grade with a hold action. This suggests a bullish outlook for the stock. Moving on to Tuesday, September 19, 2023, Goldman Sachs awarded Apple a confident buy grade with a hold action. It seems they see great potential in Apple's future. Let's not forget Tuesday, September 12, 2023, when Rosenblatt Securities gave Apple a balanced, neutral grade with a hold action. This indicates a cautious stance on the stock. Exciting news from Tuesday, September 12, 2023, as Wedbush granted Apple an impressive outperform grade with a hold action. This suggests a strong performance expected from Apple. Lastly, on Friday, September 8, 2023, Morgan Stanley gave Apple a glowing, overweight grade with a hold action. It seems they have high expectations for Apple's growth. Brace yourselves, because Apple stock has been given an incredible rating of strong by analysts. Not only that, they are also rating the PE ratio as strong buy and the price to book as strong buy. But here's the twist, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a neutral rating. Interesting, right? Ladies and gentlemen, get ready for some exciting news about Apple's stock. Brace yourselves, because a buy signal was just issued from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, September 27, 2023. And guess what? It has already risen by a whopping 1.51%. But hold on, the excitement doesn't stop there. Experts predict that there's even more room for growth until a new top pivot is found. Can you imagine the possibilities? That's not all. We've also got a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Now, here's where things get interesting. Despite gaining prices, volume fell during the last trading day. This creates a divergence between volume and price, and it could be an early warning sign. So, we need to keep a close eye on this stock. The stakes are high. Now, let's talk about the negative signals. Brace yourself for a bumpy ride. The Apple stock holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages. This paints a more negative forecast for the stock. And there's more. There's a general sell signal from the relation between the two signals, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. Ouch! Looks like there are some obstacles ahead. But don't lose hope just yet. On corrections up, there will be some resistance from the lines at $175.99 and $176.36. Picture this, a breakup above any of these levels will issue buy signals. It's like a green light on the stock market highway. So, there you have it, folks. Apple's stock is riding a roller coaster of signals right now. It's a mix of excitement, caution, and anticipation. Buckle up and get ready for the ride. If you're interested in finding out more about potential signals, check out these intriguing options. Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence, which recently gave a compelling buy signal. Another exciting signal to consider is the pivots, which indicated a buy signal 19 days ago. The Bollinger signal is also worth noting, as it triggered a buy signal 35 days back. On the flip side, the short-term moving average suggested a sell signal just 7 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average also provided a sell signal 6 days ago. Now, let's dive into the relationship between the short and long moving averages. It generated a buy signal 2 days ago, adding to the intrigue. Shifting our focus to the 12-month chart, we observe that the short moving average presented a sell signal 4 days ago. Correspondingly, the long-term moving average also gave a sell signal 34 days back. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, interestingly, indicated a buy signal 38 days ago. For more fascinating signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Welcome to an exciting analysis of Apple's support, risk, and stop-loss levels. Let's dive right in. Apple currently finds support from accumulated volume at $172.88, creating a potential buying opportunity for investors. When this support level is tested, we can anticipate an upwards reaction in the stock's price. Apple is known for its controlled movements and excellent liquidity, making the risk associated with this stock very low. In fact, the stock exhibits tight price ranges and stable trends, offering a sense of security for investors. Now, let's talk numbers. Over the past day, Apple's stock moved $4.07 between its highest and lowest points, representing a 2.39% fluctuation. Looking at the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 1.8%. These figures indicate a relatively stable and predictable market behavior. Welcome back. Today, we're going to explore some exciting trading levels for Apple. But before we dive into that, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First up, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, or P/E ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. It's essential to note that Apple boasts a relatively normal P/E ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. Now, let's move on to some exciting news. The next earnings report for Q3 2023 is expected on Nov/02/2023. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $1.39. It's crucial to keep a close eye on these numbers, as they have the potential to greatly impact stock prices. Welcome, folks. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of day trading levels for everyone's favorite tech giant, Apple. Picture this: the stock is on an upward trend. Now, the first resistance level we're looking at is a juicy $177.97. If you're itching to jump in, make sure this level is breached before you dive headfirst. And hey, if you're already rocking some Apple shares, this could be your golden ticket for some swing trading action. Alright, let's talk about the potential downside. Brace yourself, because Apple's first support level is at $172.88. Now, if this level holds like a fortress, it might just be the perfect entry point for you to strike and anticipate a glorious rebound. Are you ready for some exciting insights on Apple? Well, hold on tight because we've got some interesting news for you. Let's dive into the world of insider trades and discover what's been happening behind the scenes. Picture this: the combined average rating for Apple, according to multiple analyst sources, is a strong buy. That's right, experts are highly optimistic about this tech giant. But what about insider trades? Let's take a closer look at the 5 most recent insider trades. Brace yourself for some surprising numbers. It turns out that Condo Chris, one of the insiders, has been quite active in buying and selling shares or options in the company. In fact, he executed a total of 22,274 transactions. Talk about being involved. Now, let's shift our focus to the bigger picture. We analyzed the 100 most recent insider trades and calculated the insider power. And guess what? The ratio is negative, standing at -22.186. It's time to dig deeper into what this means. Here's an interesting tidbit: insiders purchased a whopping 2,317,906 shares, while selling 3,785,262 shares in the last 100 trades. Now, that's a lot of movement happening within the company. Hold on tight because we've got some bad news about this stock. Brace yourself. Wondering if Apple stock is a good buy? Apple's stock currently faces several negative signals and is caught in a wide and downward trend. This suggests that it may continue to underperform in the coming days or weeks. As a result, our evaluation of this stock is negative. Upon analyzing the volatility and recent movements, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. When the market opens on Tuesday, October 24th, we anticipate Apple's stock to decline by $0.683 and begin trading at $172.32. Are you ready to take on the exciting world of trading? Before you dive in, it's important to remember that trading can be risky. But don't worry, we've got your back. We're here to guide you and provide you with valuable insights. Of course, it's always a good idea to speak with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. They can help you assess the risks and opportunities. Now, let's talk about StockInvest.us. While we provide you with information and analysis, it's important to remember that you hold the power to make your own investment decisions. We're just here to empower you. So, are you ready to take control of your financial future? Let's dive in and explore the exciting world of trading together. Hey there. Welcome back to Stock Invest. We're thrilled to dive into the current view of this stock. But before we get started, we want to hear from you. Do you agree or disagree with our analysis? Share your thoughts in the comments below, we're eager to hear from you. And hey, what's your target for this stock? Let us know, we love to connect with our amazing community. Oh, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Now, let's jump right into it. We wish you nothing but success in your trading journey. And remember, no matter what happens, have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.